The Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2025 allows you to effortlessly convert your factory-wired CarPlay system into a wireless experience, enabling seamless use of calls, navigation, messages, and music. Equipped with a USB-C interface, this adapter ensures faster data transmission and minimizes audio and video distortion, providing a stable and low-latency connection. Its compact, mini T-shaped design fits neatly into your vehicle's USB-C port, maintaining a tidy dashboard and integrating smoothly with your car's interior. With an easy plug-and-play setup, the adapter connects within seconds, offering a hassle-free and lag-free performance every time you start your car. This adapter is specifically designed for vehicles manufactured in 2016 or later that have factory-wired CarPlay, ensuring compatibility while excluding Tesla, BMW, and cars with native wireless CarPlay. Manufactured by ONINCE, the Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2025 is a practical and innovative solution for enhancing your vehicle's connectivity without the need for frequent plugging and unplugging of your iPhone.